Today's we had dissected the flexor compartment of the forearm, flexor compartment forearm muscles. Okay, total 8 flexor muscles are there, which is divided into 5 superficial muscles and 3 deep muscles. Okay, deep flexor muscles. Okay, so in superficial 5 muscles are, one is pronator teres, flexor carpi ulnaris, flexor carpi radialis, flexor digitorum superficialis, and palmaris longus. Actually, palmaris longus is a vestigial muscle. It is having a short belly and a long tendon, and in some subjects this muscle is absent. Okay, so it's a vestigial muscle. It doesn't have any function, major functions. Okay, so this is the first superficial muscle, that is the pronator teres muscle. This one, pronator teres. Then next is flexor. No, this is flexor carpi radialis. It is going to the second and third metacarpal bones for insertion. So this is flexor carpi radialis. And this is the flexor digitorum superficialis muscle. Flexor digitorum superficialis muscle. This one. Okay. And the last one is the flexor carpi ulnaris. This muscle. Okay. Flexor carpi ulnaris. So that is all about the superficial muscles. Palmaris longus is missing in this subject. Okay. And next is the 3 deep muscles, deep flexor muscles. Okay, first one is the flexor digitorum profundus. So below the flexor tendon of the flexor digitorum profundus, here comes the pronator quadratus. This one, pronator quadratus, and here comes the flexor pollicis longus. See, this is the flexor pollicis longus. You can see while I stretch the tendon of the flexor pollicis longus, this pollex finger is flexing. Okay. If I extend the pollex, it will stretch. Okay. So this is flexor pollicis longus. Okay. And this is the flexor retinaculum. We already cut the flexor retinaculum. This one. Okay. So the flexor tendons are passing into the hand through the flexor retinaculum, and this is the ulnar nerve. This one is the ulnar nerve, this one. Okay, and here comes the median nerve. This is the median nerve. Okay, median nerve. So, in the cubital fossa, this is the median nerve. Okay, okay, median nerve. So, median nerve, ulnar nerve, then flexor compartment muscles. Okay. Okay.